Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful, fully loaded 2017 Grand Design Reflection 311BHS Bunkhouse bath and a half fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall condition is excellent. I think any dealer would agree with me. The exterior length is 36 feet 10 inches, and the exterior height to the dual AC units is 12 feet. And the coach weighs, unloaded, the UVW is 11,390 pounds. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. Inside is showroom condition. All right. This is a quad slide. The first slide out is going to be a super slide. It accommodates the boot dinette, which breaks down into a bed, and it's the ultra leather finish. The ultra leather is going to be brown, dark brown in color. Table breaks down, easily sleep 2 kiddos, 1 grown adult. Also in the super slide is the theater seating, which is ultra leather, and it's by Thomas Paine. Show off the Thomas Paine badge there. Nice LED light accent, and it is heated, and these are dual recliners. Again, excellent condition. Before I go back into the back there, let's stay up front, show off the kitchen next. This is going to be a second slide out. Accommodates the 12 cubic foot, large 12 cubic foot refrigerator, gas and electric, by Norcolt. This is going to be one of the largest reefers you're going to find on a fifth wheel. Also in the second slide is the oven, which is, I believe, going to be a 22-inch oven, and the 3-burner gas cooktop. Looks like it's never been used. 3-burner gas cooktop, and the front burner is usually a high output. Nice cover for more counter space, and you do have on your counters solid surface Korean style countertops. Kind of pan around here and show off that island. Nice farmer sink, and again that solid surface Korean style countertop. Nice residential pull sprayer faucet, undermounted farmer's sink. Great idea. Show off some of the cabinets there. The cabinets, at least on the island, let's see if I can show you. It's going to be a dark brown, almost the same color as the ultra leather finish on the furniture, and your cabinets here are going to be some kind of a glazed oak. All solid wood drawer fronts. Your finished hardware is going to be like a brushed nickel. Nice hutch area there. All right. Nice lights in the kitchen. Okay, walking back in the entertainment center area here. Nice fireplace. Probably going to be a 4800 BTU furnace. And flat screen. Looks like maybe a 47-inch flat screen. Oh, almost forgot. Huge pantry in that second slide out. Getting ahead of myself. Huge pantry. Definitely for a fifth wheel. Can't forget that. Alright, walking back into the bunkhouse room, and you do have the third slide out. Show it out there. Nice bunks, and this bed does lift up. You can stow it away. There was a sofa that collapsed and folded out, but the owner didn't like that. He took it out. He does have it, but he put in this memory foam mattress. But if you do want the sofa, he's got it. Paint around here. Another bed. Not sure how many they're saying this floor plan sleeps. Here's your half bath in the kiddos' room. your ducted heat, ducted AC all throughout. I do want to point out also the floor, the vinyl flooring. It's that plank floor, wood floor look. And it's all residential grade vinyl flooring. I did track mud in here, but anyway. It's a triple AC unit. I'm sorry, double AC. The first one's it's going to be a 15,000 BTU AC unit, and the second one is going to be a 13,500 BTU AC unit. And the furnace on this is, gosh, it's going to be at least probably a 35,000 BTU furnace on this. And this does have the Arctic insulation package. The whole underbelly is all enclosed and heated, and you can go into definitely colder weather, extended seasons. The owners did do some upgrades on the insulation, and if you come out and see the camper, he can give you all the details of what he did. Queen bed in the master bedroom, and that is an upgraded memory foam mattress that the owners bought. This is going to be your fourth slide out. It's going to be the closet. And then let's paint around here. Kind of show off. Walk through bath. Nice pocket door. Oh, your TV, if you wanted it in the bedroom, it would mount right there. Nice corner shower, glass enclosed. Oh, motion activated light, which is convenient. Huge corner shower with skylight. Foot flush china toilet. Nice vanity area with a medicine cabinet. Do also want to point out it does have a fantastic vent fan in the kitchen there, and here's going to be your controls for the fantastic vent fan. Thermostat controls, easy to figure out. It's going to be your control center here. It tells you where you are in your battery, on your fresh water tank, your black water tank, which is your toilet, and your gray, which is your sink and shower. It's pretty easy to figure out. Power button for your awning. You do have dual awnings on this camper, by the way. And then still lights, water pump. It's going to be for your water heater. Probably going to be 12-gallon gas electric water heater. Whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up to shore power, you're good to go in 15 minutes with hot water. And just below that, your buttons for your slides. One last look at the floor plan. Great floor plan. Arctic insulation right there. Means you have fully enclosed and heated underbelly, and all your gate valves are all protected. I'm not sure what it's rated at. Maybe rated at 0 degrees. But let's kind of back up here, kind of show off that color scheme. And the fiberglass, it looks like a full body paint, but that's the colored fiberglass they're using now, which is something they should have done a long time ago. It's they're calling it a high gloss fiberglass. Show off that beautiful front cap and that reflection badge. Front cap's going to be a molded fiberglass cap, easy to clean off the bugs. Show off those huge double awnings. The owners did upgrade the tires. They are brand new, Goodyears, and they are G rated. Nice 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels. The suspension on this is going to be upgraded. All the leaf springs, they were all upgraded. The owners just wasn't really impressed with the factory suspension, so he's definitely got some money into this as far as upgrades. And you do have the Equiflex suspension system. It rides like an independent suspension, and you do have the 6-point auto leveling. Show off those jack legs up underneath. And I do want to point out your spare tire on this is even upgraded, Goodyear G-rated right there. Again, your enclosed underbelly. Okay, this does have the outside kitchen, and looks like a 5 cubic foot dorm style fridge here. And the owners have this hooked up to the 2000 watt inverter, which the owners installed. Outside gas grill and sink, microwave. Kind of back up here, kind of show off what the back front looks like. Nice ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof. And I'm not sure if this bike rack is coming with it, but it does have a nice bumper there. Nice hitch. And it is pre-wired or prepped for a backup camera. If you wanted that option, you got it. I did check the camper for delamination, which is the bubbling you get on the outside caused by water damage. Did not find any issues. Checked around the corners of all the slide outs for stress cracks, usually caused by flexing going down the road. Did not find any issues. It's pretty much 1 through 10, 10 being the best. It's a 10. I think any dealer would agree. All right. It's going to be a 50 amp service, and you do have a little light here to show that you've got shore power coming in. And let's see. Oh, this is a plug. The owners upgraded with the inverter. Here's your furnace. Again, I believe it's going to be at least a 35,000 BTU furnace, and your water heater service panel. It's going to be your garage area. He's got this thing loaded down, the owners do. But there's your auto leveling right there. Here's your aluminum framing. This is a full aluminum frame constructed coach. And there's your water hookups. Pretty easy to winterize and fill up your tanks. And water pump switch there. And kind of slow down. Gotta show that all to you. There's your gate valves. They're all enclosed and protected. The outside shower. All right. Insulated slam latch baggage doors. 30-pound LP tank, one on each side, automatic switchover. Oh, here, the unloaded vehicle weight, 3,000, right there, 11,370 pounds. The owners do have this really awesome, it's a $1,500 setup, a gooseneck setup, but the stock pin box is available, and you can easily, I think that, well, the owner will swap it out if you need, but if you do want that gooseneck, talk to the owners. Y'all can work something out. All right. It's going to be where you hook up your solar charging. And another thing the owners did, he put in a voltage meter here, tells you how your battery is. That is definitely a cool feature. The owners really did some really cool upgrades. He's got I guess they're relay or whatever they're called. These little things right here. He put those in. Those actually shut the whole power off to the whole coach, even the LP and carbon monoxide detector. But the jack legs will have power. But this does have a battery disconnect. But usually battery disconnects won't shut off everything. But anyway, little things the owner's done. And again, there's a 2,000 watt inverter. That is, I forgot to show you on the back side. Here's your other 30-pound LP tank. And show off that garage here on the front side. There's your battery disconnect right there. Slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. Reflection badge there by Green Design. You do have on your stereo, I forgot to point that out, Bluetooth stereo inside, and you do have exterior speakers here. Nice blue LED accent on the speakers. But your smart device ready on the stereo. It's got all the good stuff. It's it's fully loaded. It's going to be about as fully loaded as you can get for reflection. The owners have done some really cool upgrades that I didn't get everything, but anyway, if you're interested in the coach, the owner can tell you everything he's done to this. But anyway, definitely pretty cool setup for reflection. Anyway, if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.